Wow Skin Science Rice Water Shampoo. Wow Rice Water Shampoo is best rice water shampoo for hair care and hair growth. Welcome to our channel, Hair Zone Solution. Rejuvenate your damaged hair and weak, irritated scalp with the deeply nourishing goodness of Wow Skin Science Rice Water Shampoo. Wow Rice Water Shampoo is a restoring care for your damaged hair and weak, irritated scalp. Delivers the goodness of rice water, rice keratin protein and lavender essential oil. The actives help to strengthen strands, stimulate weak roots, boost shine and add volume to hair. Leaves your hair feeling soft, shiny, thick and enveloped in fresh fragrance. Wow Skin Science Rice Water Shampoo. Wow Rice Water Shampoo is best rice water shampoo for hair care and hair growth. Wow Skin Science Rice Water Shampoo comes with rice water extract, rice keratin protein, and lavender essential oil. Rice water extract. Rich in antioxidants, amino acids, zinc, magnesium and vitamins B and C, helps to strengthen strands and infuse scalp with minerals and vitamins. Rice keratin protein. Rich in protein that strengthens hair, smoothens rough cuticles, adds volume and shine. Lavender essential oil. Contains phytonutrients that stimulate the scalp, calm irritation and refresh your hair and scalp. If you have weak roots and damaged, breakage-prone hair that needs thorough cleansing and some hydrating care, then Wow Rice Water Shampoo is the way to go. It not only clears away dirt but also clarifies and tones your scalp to help strengthen the roots. Wow Skin Science Rice Water Shampoo delivers the goodness of rice water, rice keratin protein and lavender essential oil. Wow Rice Water Shampoo contains rice water extract rich in antioxidants, amino acids, zinc, magnesium and vitamins B and C, helps to strengthen strands, fortify weak roots, boost shine and infuse scalp with minerals and vitamins. Rice keratin protein, the main source of protein for strengthening hair, smoothens rough cuticles, adds strength and shine. Lavender essential oil contains phytonutrients that stimulate the scalp, calm irritation and refresh your hair and scalp. Wow Skin Science Rice Water Shampoo. Wow Rice Water Shampoo is best rice water shampoo for hair care and hair growth. You will get the product link in the description box. To buy this product, just click on the link given below. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel, Hair Zone Solution.